Hello children, welcome to my channel Calculus. In this session we will discuss about multiples and factors. First one, multiples. And what do you mean by multiples? That is multiplying a number by natural numbers. That is what do you mean by natural numbers? Natural numbers are counting numbers. That is 1, 2, 3 etc. up to infinity, not ending. So multiplying a number with a 1, we get the same number. We all know that when multiplying with a 1 or 1 is multiplied with any number, we get the same number. Suppose a number 6, it is multiples of 6. That is first we can multiply with a 1. 6 into 1 we get 6. That is a number multiplying with a 1, we get the same number. That means 1 and the number itself are the multiples of every natural number. That is every natural number is a multiple of 1 and the number itself. That is a properties of multiples. First property, every natural number is a multiple of 1 and itself. Next, a number can be multiples of several numbers. That is the same example 6. 6 we can write 1 into 6 is 6. Then again 6 equal to 2 into 3. Or 6 equal to 3 into 2. So, a number can be multiples of several numbers. That is 6 and 1. When multiplying we get 6. 2 and 3 multiplying we get 6. So, the second property, a number can be multiples of several numbers. A number can be multiples of several numbers. The first multiple of any number is the number itself. That is, we multiply with 1, we get the first multiple. That is, the first multiple is the number itself. When multiplying with 2, the value increases. Multiplying with 3, the value again increases. So, multiples mean the value increases. The natural numbers are not ending. So, multiples are infinite. That is one property of multiples. Multiples are infinite. Then next property, that is every number, when we take the smallest multiple is the number itself. So, the multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. The multiples of a number, for example 6, first multiple is 6, then second multiple is 12, third 18. Equal to means the same number or greater than, that is 6, 12, 18. That way the multiples of 6 are going. So the smallest multiple is 6, that is equal to 6, and all the other multiples are greater than 6. That is one property, multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. So, multiple means multiplying a number with natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 etc. Then multiplying with 1 we get the same number. That is, every natural number is a multiple of 1 and itself. The smallest multiple of any number is the number itself. The greatest multiple we can't find out because the numbers are infinite. So, multiples of a number is infinite, and multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the same number, and a number can be multiples of several numbers. Every natural number is a multiple of 1 and itself. These are the properties of multiples. Then writing multiples, that is, first we can take a number 12. Write multiples of 12. So, multiples of 12 are 12 into 1, 12, then 12 into 2, 24, 12 into 3, 36, 12 into 4, 48, etc. are the multiples. The next question, write first 4 multiples first 4 multiples of 12. Then we can write first 4 multiples is multiplying with 1, multiplying with 2, multiplying with 3 and multiplying with 4. That is 12 into 1 12, 12 into 2 24, 12 into 3 36, 12 into 4 48. These are the first 4 multiples of 12. Sometimes it is asking write first 3 odd multiples of 12. That is first 3 odd multiples. Odd numbers we know that. What are the odd numbers? That is 1, 3, 5, etc. are odd numbers. First 3 odd multiples of 12. That is multiplying with 1, multiplying with 3, multiplying with 5. That is 12 into 1 that equal to 12. Then 12 into 3 that equal to 36. Then 12 into 5 that equal to 60. Then first 3 even multiples, that is even numbers we know that 2, 4, 6 etc. are even numbers. So first 3 even numbers are, first one is 12 into 2 24, then second one 12 into 4 48, then third one 12 into 6 72. So these 3 are the first 3 even multiples of 12 and these 3 are the first 3 odd multiples of 12. So odd multiples is asking you multiply with the odd numbers only, and even numbers are asking multiplying with the even numbers only. Multiples, generally multiples, then odd and even are come. First multiples means multiplying with 1, 2, 3, that way it is going. First odd multiples 1, 3, 5, that way. First even multiples 2, 4, 6, that way. The next factors. And what do you mean by factors? That is a number which is exactly divisor of that number. It is called a factor. That is when we dividing. That is 36. When we take 36, if 36 divided by 2, we get 18. And 18 as quotient and 0 as remainder. When we get 0 as the remainder, these 2 and 18 are the factors. That is a number dividing with a number, the remainder is 0, then the divisor and quotient are its factors. So the factors of 36 are 2 and 18. Then 36 divided by 3, we get 12 and remainder 0. So 3 and 12, divisor and quotient, 3 and 12 are also the factors of 36. Then 36 divided by 4, that is we know that 9 4s are 36, the remainder is 0. That is 4 and 9 are also the factors. Then 36 divided by 5, we know that 7 5s are 35 and the remainder is 1. When we get the remainder other than 0, it is not a factor. So 7 and 5 are not the factors. And 1 and the number 1 and 36 are the factors of 36. That is 1 and the number itself are the factors of every number. So we take every number, suddenly we can write 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. 1 and the number itself are the factors of every number. When a number dividing with 1, we get the remainder 0, and when a number dividing with the same number, we get the remainder 0. So 1 and the number itself are the factors of every number. That is property of factors. Properties. 1 and the number itself are the factors of every number. One is a factor of every number and the number itself is a factor of every number. In multiples, we studied about a number can be multiples of several numbers. In that way, a number can be factors of several numbers. A number can be factors of several numbers. For example, 2. 2 is a factor of 36. Also 2 is a factor of 18. 2 is a factor of 6. That way, that is 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. So 2 is a factor of 6. Here 2 into 9 is equal to 18. So 2 is a factor of 18. Here 2 into 18 is 36. So 2 is a factor of 36 also. So a number can be factors of several numbers. Multiples are infinite, but the factors are finite. Factors are finite. That is, we take an example 36. The smallest factor, that is 1 and itself are the factors. So the smallest factor is 1. Smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is 36. Any factors will be there between 1 and 36, that factors will come. So first we can write the smallest factor 1, that is for any number 1 and the number itself are the factors. Then 1 is the smallest factor of any number and the number itself is the greatest factor of that number. Then all the other factors, if any, that comes between 1 and the number itself. Then factors are infinite. Smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is the number itself. So factors are less than or equal to the number. In the case of multiples, multiples are greater than or equal to the number, but factors are less than or equal to the number. For example, 6. 6 we can write 1 into 6, 2 into 3. So the factors are 1, 6, 2, 3. That is, smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is 6. Between 1 and 6, these 2 and 3 will come. So the factors are finite, that is, the factors are less than or equal to the number. So multiples and factors, now we know multiples, when multiplying the value increases, and the smallest multiple is multiplying with a 1 and the greatest multiple we can't say, that is, multiples are infinite. But in the case of factors, 1 and the number itself are the factors of every number. Then 1 is the smallest factor and the number itself is the greatest factor. So the factors are less than or equal to the given number. In multiples, multiples are greater than or equal to the given number. And factors are finite, that is, smallest factor and biggest factor, between them some factors are there. Then write all the factors of 12. Write all the factors of 12. So 12 we write. Which are the ways we can write 12? 1 into 12 is 12. Then 2 into 6 is 12. Then 3 into 4 is 12. Next one, 4 into 3 equal to 12. That is the same, 3 into 4 equal to 12. So when the number repeats, at that time we can stop. These are the factors. That is, factors are 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. That is 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So these are the factors. Factors are 1. We can arrange this in ascending order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. That is, the smallest factor is 1 and the greatest factor is 12. All the other factors comes between 1 and 12. Another method is there. So you know the divisibility test, then you can easily find out the factors. Next question, find the factors of 6. 6 also we know that 1 and 6 are the factors, then 2 and 3 are the factors. Then 10. 1 and 10 first we can write. Then for every even number 2 must be a factor. So 10 is an even number, 2 is a factor. 2 into 1, 2 into 5. So 5 also a factor. Then no other numbers. Only these 4 are the factors of 10. Then 18. First we can write 1, 18. Then 18 is an even number. So we can write 2. Then 2 into 9. Then 3 table also it comes. 3, 6 are 3, 6. Then 4 table it is not coming. 5 table not coming. Then 6 table, 6 into 3, that here we write. So only this much. Now you understood about multiples and factors. Next session we will study how to find out the LCM and HCF. If you enjoy this class, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.